In this video, we're going to download and install the blog Masonry for the StrapPress WordPress theme. So let's go ahead and download the files. While those are downloading, we need to make sure that we have isotope and image loaded in our theme. So since we're using Bower, might as well just continue to use it and install these dependencies as well. So let's do Bower install isotope -- save -dev. I like to put dev so it saves into my Bower file. Alright, we got that installed now. Same thing with image loaded. Go down here and we can just copy this. Notice the URL image loaded. -dev. Oops, I didn't copy the B. Alright, got those. So if you look at your theme files, and you go to your bower.json, you'll see that isotope and image loaded is now installed. Also, if you go into your Bower directory, you'll see that image loaded and this fizzy isotope is now installed as well. Alright, so now we can unzip these files, go inside here. As always, I include a demo theme right here that you can use, but I wouldn't recommend using it as a start off point because it might be an old version of StrapPress. Always recommend going and downloading StrapPress from GitHub or mvpwp.com. Alright, so let's dive in here. We got the files, INC customizer. Let's grab some of these settings here. So these settings are going to allow us to pick how many blog posts are in each row. So when you go in here to our INC and the theme that we're working on, customizer, and then just down here at the bottom, I'm going to paste those in there. Alright, what else do we have? We have a new index page. I'm just going to overwrite my current index page, replace that. Got some JS stuff here. So JS, let's open up this manifest. So you can see here that I'm including isotope and that image loaded in my manifest file. So I can grab those and in my JS manifest and put those in here. So what this is going to do is just grab all these JS scripts and compile them together and minify them, so we don't have a lot of different JS scripts in our head of our WordPress theme. So it's only one HTTP request to make sure that our theme loads fast and it's good to go, high performance. Alright, and another thing we have here is site.js. This is going to be the jQuery code that we use to load isotope and image loaded. So in src site.js, put that in here. You can see that we use image loaded. We make sure that all the images on the site are loaded first before we try to do this masonry layout. Alrighty, got those in there. Need our Sass files, site layout. So we can go Sass site layout. Throw this content grid in here. Open up this site SCSS. We make sure that we call that new file Sass site. Put that in there. You can actually import that wherever you want to and put that file wherever you want, but just for organization purposes, I'd like to keep it organized a little bit. And the last thing we have here is template parts. So in the template part directory, let's grab that content grid and put it in there. Alright, now we got all the files in there. We can run gulp. So browser sync finds everything. Before we look at things, I want to make sure that all of our Sass files are being loaded and also our site.js manifest. I'll just do this to double check that everything's being seen and there's no errors. Alright, so now from our dashboard we can go into Appearance Customize. We should have this blog panel now, and you can see here that we have this Masonry layout where it kind of fits in wherever it goes. So you can pick how many items you want to display, and it should, look pretty good. 6 items, however many items you want. Also, you notice when it shrinks down, you have it goes down to 1 column, which is always nice, and it has a little animation from Isotope. So obviously you need some styling to fit your needs and fit your client's needs or whatever you're trying to build. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.